In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix this enable to write data to disk problem. Here I will show you several things to fix this issue. Make sure to change all the things to fully fix the problem. Let's remove this. To do that, go to Task Manager and stop the task like this. Find the installer and end task. Now go to the first one. Go to the properties of setup and follow along. Go to the compatibility. Tick this one, Run Program Administrator. Apply, then OK. Let's go to the second one. To do that, go to the Control Panel. Go to the User Accounts. Go to the Change User Account Control Settings. Put this all the way down. Make sure to end the task of installation. Then turn off your firewall. Now go to the Setup and install again. I will speed up this for you. Run this as administrator. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.